Yo, what it do, man? Let's get it cracking this one, man. See what we got. We'll have a good day on the charts. We'll have the clarity we need to get this job done. And we have the best trading strategy ever. For sure. All right. So here's what I have coming in to today. So this strategy that we're using is very, very specific. We are sharing the right screen. So here's what we're looking at. Yesterday, my pattern occurred and I never got a retest, and it always retests my pattern entries. So I'm going to show you where my pattern entry occurred yesterday and it never got retested. And then I'm going to show you where we are in relation to the retest as of right now. I have us selling off for the day. Not really selling off, but we're about to, there will be a reversal at some point in time to go down, in my opinion, because these things usually hold. Uh, they usually hold at least 8 times out of 10, if I'm correct. And this one is a pretty high profile pattern. So I'm sure it's going to hold. It's got a higher probability than the rest. So here's the pattern on your screen right here. And it's based on the EMA. This is all I look for on the EMA. I look for a swing low to get created on the EMA. Then I wait for a candle to close below it, leaving a fair value gap or a volume imbalance or an overlap when it does it. So when it does it, when it does it, we look for a precision swing point. And the precision swing point happens to be at the 314 candle yesterday. It never got retested. Never got retested. So with that being said, that is what I am waiting for today. So that's that part of the morning, and that's the bias. Not necessarily I have to marry it. If they show my setup in another way, I will adjust accordingly. Adjust accordingly. So let's go back over to where we are currently. And this is where my 314 line is from yesterday. Do you see how close it is? Do you see where ES is in relation to the 314 as well? See it right up here? And also, um, let me show you where YM to that line as well. So here's YM, and it's got a good base to go, but NQ right now is the closest. These two lines are the same line for the 314 candle from yesterday. One is on top of the wick and one is on top of the body at the top. So sometimes you never know which one they want to use. They'll use the body of the candle itself for this strategy, or they will use the wick. Let me find that to 314 candle to show you. So the 314 candles right here, and I use the top of the actual body. So if it's a down closed candle, I use the open. Use the open, and then I use the actual high of the wick. So if this candle was green, I would actually use the close of the candle and you still use the high of the wick. So let's pretend that this red candle is this green candle right here. I would use the actual body closure right here and the high of the wick. So it doesn't matter because we're expecting to go down. So we're going to look for the entry on the top side of the sweep. So they're going to use either the closure or either the wick of this candle. And this is candle specific. This strategy is fucking like the highest accuracy ever. You know what I'm saying? So if you're right, you're going to be really right. And if you're wrong, you're going to be wrong immediately. So you have the shortest stop loss ever. So, but that's just what it is. So, in relationship to the line, you can see how it is from ES and NQ as well. So ES has a ways to go to get up there right now, based on the chart. And like I said, YM and NQ are the closest ones. So, with that being said, we're going to wait this out and see what the opening bell wants to give us this morning. I think we're going to have a great trading day. A great trading day. I am looking forward to a beautiful trade. And I have a target on the 6 minute, I believe. No, it's on the 9 minute. Nope. 9 minute candle at 6:27 a.m. That's my target for the sale. My first target, anyway. We'll see how many contracts I use. I want to be comfortable with this one. Got to protect this capital. Got to protect the cap. So as of right now, we're in the waiting zone, my friend. And we're gonna annihilate this trade here, bro. Because I'm only taking one type of style trade. I have another entry that I do use, but I am not really focused on it. Using it as much as I am this new it's not new, but this strategy that I have developed that I come to find out really works. Like better than anything you've ever seen. I don't have to guess about supply and demand candles or if a zone will hold. These zones that I mark out, they mostly hold. So you can see NQ's trying to get there to create equal highs. ES has equal highs currently. Like I said, they're still far away from it. We're going to see if they want to give us this right here this morning at market open. And we are almost there. It is almost time for us to get this cracking. So, you say you want to trade. You say you want to be a trader. You say you want results. Well, you can't want elite results in your trading if you have hobby level commitments. If you ain't committed to this craft and this skill and to you getting better and better and better and better and better every day, and this is on the charts and off the charts, then keep working. Yeah, you got to keep working. Work your body out, work your mind out, work your spirit out. Here we go with the open. This is what we're looking for. This is what we're looking for right here. So let's see if they want to give it to us. I will take this off the open if they show it to me. Let's see how they want to play it. They're falling freaking short. I gapped up, wicked above, closed below. This shit fell short, bro. It fell short of the play. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna rush this at all. But this right here is important. This shit right here gapped up, bro. This red candle opened up, gapped up, wicked above. Closure below would be bad. I don't want to see it go down right now. I want to see that hold. This should hold to go up still. There we go. This candle's about to go up. Yeah. See what I'm talking about? We know these markets like the back of our hands, bro. This strategy is what we're gonna use. This is what it is right here. This is the best strategy in the world. I have the best strategy in the world. And I'm gonna keep telling myself that I don't need another red candle. I need a green candle to go above this line right here. As we watch it happen in real time and we watch us take this L and we're gonna hold this trade. We're gonna make this thing work this morning. Make this thing work this morning, brother. Let's see if they want to give it to us. Hmm? Of course they'll play around with us. They're not gonna make it easy. They're gonna make us worry a little bit first and foremost. I am committed to this journey, brother. I am committed to this journey. Let me see what the 30-second is giving me. See what the 30-second is giving me. Just to see where it is. $30 is nowhere. Based on what I'm looking for, let's see what a 30-second is on YM. YM is coming into my 30-second. Let's see how they want to play it, dude. I'm still looking at the one, of course. Still looking at the one. Let me go back over to the one. See what they want to do. I got them on these highs though, bro. I mean, they ain't got to, but here's a. Shoot, they might be fucking ready to rock and roll now, dude. Let's see. Let's see what they want to do. Okay. They might want to go down first. I got a target at the 630, 627 candle. That's on the 9-minute. So, also that's the 630 candle on the 6-minute. So it's the same one and the same. Let's see if they want to make this shit hold, bro. All right. Yeah, we're gonna hold on, bro. We're not gonna rush this process, man. We're not gonna rush this process at all. Absolutely not. I got YM doing something freaking crazy over here. I don't know what it's doing. We miss it, then we miss it, bro. Then I get off the tree and I'm going about my merry little way. I'm checking YM right. YM is coming into my EMA. And we're gonna pull this off of the EMA. Let's see how they want to pull it. I got to sweep in the highs though. This is the line I got them sweeping right here. They're gonna sweep this high right here. This high is high profile. This POI is high profile. So it's not on my chart for no reason. This line right here is very important right now. This is where we're selling from on NQ. ES is nowhere near it, as you can see. YM is moving away from it, which is um, cool as well. So that tells me that we do want to go down. So as soon as we get this sweep and get a change in the state of delivery, I will be entering these cells. I will be entering these cells. Let's see what they want to do, bro. See what they want to do. Yeah, there you go. Go on up there. I need this to transpire on the 937 candle or the 940 or 941. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna get ready to rock and roll with this. And hopefully they don't just take it and take it to the moon on me. That'd be great for them not to do that. So here we go. That is a 936 candle. You know something? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wait for a change in the state of delivery. So my change in the state of delivery is gonna be below. Let's see if there's a gap right there. Hold on, dude. You're not supposed to be doing that. Oh shit. Okay. Wait a minute. Opening of this candle is 4,300. I mean, close is 71.25. Open 71.25. Okay, that's an open close even. Yeah, I need to close your doors right here. Yeah, we got it. That's the volume imbalance. So I'm in the trade. I pulled the trigger early. I got my stop loss above the highs. So this close is 90.50. This open is 90 point. No, that is not a volume imbalance. So the next volume imbalance would be, what is that? It hasn't even closed past the volume imbalance yet, bro. I pulled the trigger too early on it. So if it comes back, I deserve what happens. But it's cool. I think my stop loss is high enough. Hopefully it is. They might want to run these highs again. But this line right here is where the target is. Let's see if they want to. Let's see if they want to hold on for a second. They could run a little bit higher. They could run the highs from yesterday. I mean, it is what it is. It's not a big deal per se, but we're gonna roll with the punches, bro. And I'm gonna take what they give me. If they want to give it to me. So I did pull it too early, but let's see if they want to let this hold for me. They might have gave us a volume imbalance on the lower time frame. Yesterday they pulled this early on me yesterday, like real early. So let's see if they want to run this out the bottom, bro. I had a good read on the market, bro. I'm like really freaking highly accurate with these freaking trades. Hopefully they want to let us live, so to speak. Now, whether they want to run it at the bottom or not is another story. So close, red candle, green candle. Yeah, they might want to run it. The high that they're targeting is the 938 candle, in my opinion. Um, yeah, they're gonna send a green candle back up to the 938 candle one more time. Hopefully not too high, but it is what it is. I want this closer to be right here, 941. I want it to be green. I would like for it to be green. Actually, I'd like for it to run the 938 high one more time. That'd be cool. Not too much, but if it does, then shit, it is what it is, brother. I mean, that means I'm just fucking too early. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Right now, I got ES coming into the EMA. You can see that right there. See if they want to. That's how we do. That's too much for them to go above, dude. Man, if they hit me out, they hit me out. I mean, here's what it is, dude. Yeah, they're going up. Got to be a $12, 13, almost $14 loss. And then we're gonna regroup and reassess. Take how it comes to 942 candle. Not moving the stop loss, so they're gonna have to kick me out. That's a 943 candle. I'm out. I might have went too early, 942. So if we get a closer back below the 942, I'll re-enter. I was just too early on it. But that's the point of interest right here that I'm looking at. So this volume imbalance right here, if we get a closure back below that, I will re-enter the trade. Um, they're also creating another volume imbalance right now. They might be attacking those highs up there. It is what it is. Let's see if they want to give us this pattern. It was primed to go down, in my opinion. I mean, you can always be wrong, but you got to take your risk with this thing. All right, let's see what they want to do from this point forward. We're gonna wait for the macro to play out a little bit more here. This is the 944 candle. It is leaving a volume imbalance as we speak. We got a close of 65.25 and an open of 65 on this candle. We'll like for it to close up under this 943 candle, but we'll see how it goes. 944, I would like for that to be the high. I would like for the 955 candle to complete the drop. I don't want it to break that high. Definitely don't want it to break that high. Okay, they're gonna go up a little bit more. We're gonna wait it out. It is what it is, bro. And we're gonna wait till they show it again. I might have pulled the trigger too early. Of course, they got to run liquidity thoroughly before And they may want to run previous day's highs since they're so close right now. See how close they are. I mean, they're not far away from previous day's high, bro. Yeah. Well, not NQ anyway. ES is pretty far away, and well, shit, bro. Hey, NQ just performed the pattern that I'm looking for, guy. Let's see if they want to make this work for NQ. All right, so the 944 candle. We would need a sweep on the 944 candle, the low of it. Let's go back down. Let's see if they want to give it to us. I don't want them to sweep yesterday's high, bro. So I'm gonna watch this 944 candle real quick. You can see it's a PSP, and the high is 947, and we got a volume imbalance. If they close below this volume imbalance, I'll take a sell, dude. If not, I'll just wait for the previous day's highs. Or if YM breaks the sweeps to 940 944 low. I got a fruit fly floating around here, dude. Get out of the way, dude. All right, 944 is a target, dude. Let's see what let's see if they want to make this work. 44. PSP candle. Previous day's highs are right around the corner. Let's see if they want to blow through it or reverse at it. So let's see, that is sweep of the 949 candle would be awesome. Let's see what they want to do, bro. I don't think they want to go up though, man. I'm not buying this at all. Let's see how far it is from the daily previous day's high. I mean, it's almost at the previous day high, bro. Let's hold on for a second. You got ES almost at that point of interest that I had marked out prior to. $9.49 candle. Let's see who sweeps the 9.49 candle. I'm also watching the 9.44 candle as well. See if they want to get the previous day's high, dude. They might want to miss it. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Previous day's highs are very close. So yeah, they're right at previous day's high, bro. And you got no bottom wick on this current candle on the daily. So let's let's be very careful here. I'm gonna wait for them to sweep these highs or give a change in the state of delivery because we are at a good place for them to turn around that, honestly. So They're very close to the previous day's highs now, bro. Let's put a rating on this. Yeah, let's drop back down. See what they want to do it to us real quick. Yeah, they're right there at previous days high. But they're not. I don't think they're gonna leave that where it is. I mean, we could, but I don't know. I don't know, brother. I would like to see them sweep previous days high. We're in the macro, so whatever happens, happens in the macro. Quite possibly it's going to happen in the macro, so to speak. 957 candle is that can't be a low. It's going to come back and get that. Maybe not right this very second, but it's going to come back and get that. Uh, that low cannot be created on the 957 candle. It has to be a prime number. It has to be 959 or 958 or 953. Now they might do it on the next candle. 958 candle sweep below and then go up. But that low is not going to stay intact long. Um, yeah, I'm at break even on this trade because I don't want to see it come back. As of right now, I would like to see a change in state before I do anything. Um, let's see what my aim is doing real quick. Uh, I got to point an inch down low, bro. I mean, I don't know what it's going to do at this very second. Not really concerned. I know they're too close to the highs, and I also have a point of interest at 949, 944. So let's see if they want to go ahead and speak previous day's highs before they come back to that. Yeah, they're almost at previous day highs. Yeah. Whether they blow through it is another story or another ball game. I got them having a retracement, dude. There's no way they're gonna leave that low that I was talking about earlier. Dude. I mean, they could, but I don't see it happening. Not with this strategy. I don't see it happening. And they could fall short of previous days highs and uh, turn around real quick. Yeah, I had on a 0.01 contract on there. It's about to hit target at the daily highs, and I'm gonna let that ride for that small contract. All right, they just tapped me out of it. So that's a cool little trade. Now what I'm really waiting for is a change in the state because I got us being bearish, bro. I got us being bearish because of YM is nowhere near previous day's highs, and they have not touched my point of interest. This is my point of interest right here. They already blew past my point of interest, all the way down here. All right, so now we're at the highs. Now I wait for a change in the state of delivery, and I will be taking these sales if they let it show up. Let's see how they're going to do it. But they might be wanting to go up for the rest of the day. You never know what these people want to do, bro. But they did create that pattern. I might take this. I might take another buy. But we'll see how it goes. Though I'm not gonna rush it. They got to give me the pattern entry first. Good. Previous day's highs as well. That's a good little wake up there. Boom. All right. Now let's watch and see what they want to do. What they want to do, homie. Yeah, that 944 candle. It should hold, dude. Let's see if they want to. See if they want to give it to us. See if they want to give this fucker to us, bro. 944 candle is my targeted sweep candle. YM is about to sweep that candle, but I am looking for a change in the state of delivery on the 1 minute, bro. All right, so let me look at the 30-second, see if we can top tick this entry for sale. I don't see. I see this low right here is important. The 10 or 10 o'clock. Yeah, 10 o'clock low. That's my intermediate term low. It's my intermediate term as of right now. Let's see if they want to give us this sale, bro. Gapped up, wicked up. Close below this 1003 candle would signify sale for me. So I'm gonna take on the demo account. I'm gonna load the demo up because
Order filled.
Order filled. This is
Order filled.
this
Order
is a
filled.
strategy entry.
Order
So
filled.
I'm gonna take it. Because I'm at the previous day's highs.
Order filled.
See if they're gonna give this to me. Yeah, I need a wick below this right here. That'd be awesome. Down close candle price at a sweep of liquidity. That would do this candle right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so here's what we're looking for. Here's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a retracement back up into this candle on the 30-second. And let me go over to the 30-second over here because I should be using the S&T to gauge this trade. It is 10:07. So now I would like a closure back below this candle. And then I'm gonna stop to go at the highs if we get it. Because we have to have a PSP in order to get into this trade. Where is the PSP? I have no clue at this point. They will show it to us. Below 27.75, close 28. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's a lot. They're gonna give us a retracement there. What is it? Oh, my fucking computer froze up, dude. I would like a retracement though.
Order filled.
Let's see if they kick me in that trade. They did get me in one contract. Yeah, I don't see a PSP for my reentry. Let me see if I can find it. Green candle, red, red, green. Green. Yeah, they're probably gonna sweep the house then, bro. And if they don't, then it is what it is. But this is the candle that they should be targeting if they're gonna really continue down. If I miss this trade, I miss the trade, bro. I'm not rushing this shit. I need them to come back up and get this candle right here. This is the only one I see. They go, they go. I'm not freaking tripping. Green, red, green, red, red, green, red. All right, this might be where they go at. Damn, YM is sweeping the 10:04 candle right now. Almost. Yeah. All right. It is what it is. Let's see if they want to give it to us. And why they never did sweep that candle, but it's okay. I got stop loss all the way at the highs if they want to do it. Hopefully they give us what we need here. If not, we're gonna move on to tomorrow. Yeah, I got sales going on, bro. I got in right now. It's in drawdown about $12, $14. So let's see if they want to continue filling this right here. The 1004 candle got swept. That's what I was looking for. The 1004.30 candle on the 30 second. So we should go right now. And let's see if it closed below the volume imbalance. It didn't close below the volume imbalance yet. It might have closed below the volume imbalance on the 15 second. But once YM closes below the 10, 11, 30 candle, we should be in a free fall. That's if they give it to us. That's if they don't want to. Hopefully, they don't want to run the highs any freaking more. We'll see how it goes though. But we had a change in the state of delivery on the 30 second. So this is my change in the state of delivery right here. This candle closure, 10:07:30 was my signal. I got in at the closure, so came down, it's back up, put me in a little bit of drawdown right there. Let's see what they want to do. I'm gonna hold it trade. I got my stop loss at the highs. I don't want to get kicked out of this trade. I mean, if I do, I do, but it's gonna have to kick me out up there. The risk is like $60. Um, we're gonna wait this one out. What they're gonna do. So let's be patient. Let's be patient, brother. I got them running these highs right here again, maybe, and that's cool. Um, Matter of fact, I got a closure below my volume imbalance on. Yeah, this might be almost it right here, dude. I want to see him. I really don't want to see him run out of it, but we closed below almost at my volume imbalance on YM. They haven't closed yet. They're right at it, but they haven't closed below it. Oh, now they want to turn around and go up. But maybe YM will sweep the highs. and then give us what we need. Slip it again. Uh, go high, high. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have took it out of 30 seconds. I should have just stayed on the 1 minute, but it's okay. Let's see if they want to. Let's see what they want to do. I'm not tripping about it. Not really. Yeah, we are. We definitely are enjoying it. It's only like 26 bucks though. My stop loss is it's pretty not pretty far above it, but let's see. Let's see, brother. You're gonna be patient. We closed below my. Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, we just gapped through my volume imbalance on YM, so we might get another entry. I might add another position to this motherfucker, dude. See what they want to do. I mean, it was a good trade. I think it was. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and penny pinch and think it's not. It met all my parameters based on one of my system's criteria. I have two, so um, I might have entered a little bit early, but it gave me all the criteria. Uh, Actually, it gave me all of them, so it should go from here. It's probably got about probably about an 80% success rate. I got kicked out earlier of the fall yesterday, man. I was pissed about it, man. I timed that shit just right, and I trailed too fucking close, and it fucking bust me out of the freaking trade. I didn't even re-enter. Once it kicks me out, I'm not chasing price. So uh, I have a target at 6. What time? Hold on. At 6:30 a.m. down on the bottoms. So let's see if they want to go down there and get that, or whether they want to freaking stop me out. So let's wait this out and see. And I'm not thinking they're gonna stop me out. I'm thinking this is gonna be a great trade. So I need 5 big red candles right now. We're gonna wait this out. We're risking about 50 to 60% in this trade, something like that. These highs up here are where my stop losses are current. Uh, I'd rather than not run these freaking highs again. That'd be freaking terrible. I mean, I got them kind of above it, but it is what it is. Uh, let's see if they want to run it. Right now they're going up as they sh- should in the freaking market makers. Yeah, on the 1 minute for my change of state. Yeah, I pulled it on the 30-second, but I could have waited. But this high close is 6,800. This high close is 6,825. So this down close candle, a closure back below it right now would be freaking awesome. Let's see if they want to give that to us. Yeah, 1022 candle. Hopefully it closes back below. Let's see. Oh, you fucking bastards, dude. All right. Yeah. Let's see. They're getting closer to that style loss though. I'm not really tripping about it. YM is about to run these highs over here right now. So let's see how they want to do. But a closure back below this would be freaking awesome. Yeah, they looking like they want to run the freaking out, dude. These bitches keep going up. That's crazy. They suck. Yeah, I'm currently. Let's see where I'm at on this trade. Yeah, I'm in the hole currently. $40. Yeah, I might put it there. I should have waited for the 1 minute. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna regroup. I mean, this will be the only one that I take today, but we should be good to go at this point. What are they gonna do? All right. Now we wait. Now we wait, bro. I got YM coming into my EMA right now. Let's see if they want to So if you want to perform the other sequence that I'm looking for. You may want to run these highs again. Yeah, it's like they about to pick me out there. So yeah, I'm out of one of them. I think I had to come back. So maybe I jumped. I messed up. It's okay. I'm going to regroup. I'm going to write it down. I'm going to reassess. So points of interest on 32, so 10:30, so 18. So we're currently sweeping the 10 a.m.
Order filled.
Yeah, we don't have to be patient. See what they're going to do. Losing connection to the broker. Gold trading. All right. Well, with that being said, let's regroup. Let's regroup, brother. It might hold this shit to the afternoon to fall, dude. See what they want to do. My screens are not freaking loading. Hold up, dude. Let me refresh this shit. We broke previous day's highs on NQ currently. And on ES, we are at. We're nowhere close to previous day highs on ES. All right, so I'm waiting for a 1 minute change in the state to take it down for a sell. Maybe they'll give it to us. All right, so I got, let's see, let's go back to the 1 minute real quick. Got high, low, higher, high. Shit, I really would like a lower low closure below this low right here. That'd be immediate entry for me, but let's see what they want to do. This high is a 1031 candle. That's an ATT time, dude. I'm gonna wait for this shit on the 3 minute. We don't know what they're doing, dude. What I do know is that I'm not getting any action. You know, wait a second. Yeah, I don't have anything, bro. I connected to the lowest low, so if I get a swing low, I need to come back up here to the 1032 candle. Yeah, I was definitely too early. Cool. It's okay. We're gonna wait for the next macro, dude, and see if they want to give it to us. Jesus Christ. Yeah, we're gonna wait for this next macro. If it's not done on this macro here, bro, I think I'm done for the day. Let's see. Yeah, 10 a.m. That's rep. Yeah, I'm waiting for a change in the state. Bro. They're not giving me a change in the state yet. This low right here is now my change in the state. It's 1036 candle. I will take a sale if they give it to me. Matter of fact, this is the highest up close candle right here. They're not giving anything, dude. Yeah, I got nothing. I might be done at the second macro here. 11 10:42 to 11:17. Yeah, they just ran previous day's highs, dude, on NQ. ES is not has not ran it yet. but I still got its bearish, bro. I don't. All signs are pointing down for me as of right now. We have 2 points of interest below that have not been hit, and they don't have to be hit today. But I mean, it's what it is. Um, Intermediate term low right here. We need a closure below this right here. That'd be awesome. So we're gonna wait for that.
Order filled.
Yeah, there. Here we go. This is what we're looking for. Let's go. Drop that bitch down. We're going to the 1 minute. I'm gonna take it out to 1 minute. I'm not gonna, and I'm gonna look for the pattern itself. But I'm waiting for this change in state. I need a wick below here. Yeah, we're coming into the macro now. So they waited till the second macro. So a wick below here, a closure back above would be great. All right, so we need the wick below. I'm not gonna rush it. Wick below. Then we need a green candle to close back above this low. Or the red candle can close back above. That's fine, as long as the wick below. That's fine. But it has to happen on NQ because NQ swept the previous day's highs. Should be done for this shit in fucking 6 minutes. Yeah, this is where they're about to go from, bro. Let's see if we can catch an entry off of it. Yeah. Um, there's nothing currently. So right now I am looking at um I can't see anything. There is nothing here for me to see right now, bro. On the 30-second or the 1 minute. So I gotta come back up for this macro right now. We should be coming back up for this macro. And if not, it is what it is, bro. I need a closure back above this low here. It has to close back up here in the macro now. So let's see if they want to run it for us. That's it right there. What's this low? This low is 88.50. This close is 88.25. Oh, it didn't close above yet. It's got to close above. No, it didn't close above. You can't fall short either. It has to give me exactly what I'm looking for. Low, 88.50. Close, 88.25. Yeah, they got to give me what I want, bro. I can't take that. we're coming into the EMA on the 32nd. So NQ probably is not going to go back up there immediately, but I do want a closure above on NQ, this white line right here. It has not given me the pattern yet. So this is where it happens at in the 32nd or the 1 minute. I mean, it doesn't matter where it happens. All right, we're coming into the EMA on the 1 minute. Maybe they'll give us the pattern here. The pattern on ES is coming in. It's coming into our EMA right now, so it's got to form. I will take a sell if it shows up. I'm looking for a three candle sequence. So the low actually has to touch the line. This line right here is irrelevant now. So we're going to remove that. This line right here is important though. I wanted to see a closure back above this. We just put previous day's highs on NQ. We're going what? This is critical. This is a critical point in time right now. We're in the macro. So whatever is about to happen is about to happen because they didn't give it to us in the first macro. They might not give it to us in the second macro. They might hold it up to this afternoon. News has already came out, so it's like yeah, there's nothing else. There's nothing else. Yeah, there's nothing. But they keep resetting my goddamn fucking Forex factory shit, dude. Yeah, they might have gave it to us on the 15-second, dude. But I ain't going down there. If they give it to us on the 15-second, it is what it is. They kiss my ass about that shit, dude. You know, all the news is done for the day. So, no, he ain't showed up yet. Bro, we got another 20 minutes in the macro, so I'm willing to wait for it. I'm not. I ain't in no freaking rush, dude. I ain't in a rush. I kind of rushed one this morning, which I shouldn't have, and I'm gonna beat myself up about it later. But this is what we're looking for right here. We're looking for a swing low to be created on the end. And then we're looking for is a one candle retracement and then a sweep of that low on the EMA. This shit happens every fucking day, bro. They got to tell you which way they're going. And if you wait for it, they're going to pay you. If you wait, I promise you. It happened yesterday and the day before that and the day before that. It doesn't happen every day for the past 2 weeks now. It doesn't always happen in the New York session. Sometimes it'll happen in the London session. And then we'll tap back into the London session or a previous session. But This pattern happens every day. And there's multiple ways to get in the market. I ain't saying this is the only way to get in the market, but there's nothing more accurate than this right here. I promise you that. Low, low. Nope, they're not giving it to me. This low still counts whenever it creates one. So it can go down, but sooner or later it needs to come back up here above it. They missed it on they didn't do it on YM. They probably did it on the 15-second, but I'm not going to the 15-second, bro. I'm not going down to the 15-second at all. I mean, I'll take a gander at what YM did just now, but they're not doing nothing over there. So YM just swept my 944 candle, which I had pointed out from this. And this is the I'm not going to show the pattern. Well, let me switch over real quick. Pattern right here. Oh shit. Yeah, this pattern right here on YM. This high created on the EMA, slight retracement, and then a sweep through that and that. That showed that we were going to go up, and we're getting the sweep back below it. So it might continue up, bro. We just closed below it right here. So I don't know how they want to play it. Let's see if they want to give us a the turnaround. If they take it to go up, I'll take it, but I don't want to go up, bro. I might just leave this alone for today. 1054 candle low. Nope. Yeah, that 944 candle low is they're coming into it right now. So see what the 30-second looks like. They blew through it. They blew through it on NQ and ES. Yeah, they got me good today, dude. So they didn't do it on NQ. They didn't do it on ES. They did it on YM, but it's in the wrong direction. So uh, we're gonna wait this out. All right. I'm gonna find it. That's for sure. I'm gonna find it. We found it yesterday, and this is the only place it is right here, based on this morning. Uh, they all everybody but NQ closed below it. We're not gonna make this easy today. So But I jumped the gun too early this morning, and I shouldn't have. And I actually over leveraged, so I'm not revenge trading. That's what I'm not doing. So there's nothing right this very second, dude. So we're gonna shrink this back down. Wait for a lower to be created on this line, and maybe they'll give it to us right now to take the sell off of. Um, let's look at the 3 minute. There's nowhere near the 3 minute on ES or in Q right now. And they're probably about to go back up. YM is giving a change in state of delivery to the upside. Yeah, yeah. But we can't take that because that's not what we're looking for. I see YM sweeping out low on the 1 minute, but it's fine. So, low or low. And high would be awesome. And I would take that on there. And take
Order
buys
filled.
on there.
Order filled.
Which I probably shouldn't do. Matter of fact, let me it's okay. I just don't want to do too much. I gotta get this down, get it right.
Order filled. Yeah, then they're not making any of this shit clear today, bro. Maybe we will. I can't catch it this afternoon. I got an appointment this afternoon. So shit, if they don't do it by 11:17, then I'm done for the day. Matter of fact, they're forming it on NQ right now on the swing low, right here. So it'll take about 4 more candles for it to complete. But if it shows up, I'll take it. So we're waiting for the swing low. Hopefully it doesn't fall through. Hopefully we get a pullback right here. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, that's the kind of swing low we need right there. Just like that. If they're gonna keep going. What is this right here? This low is 1350. This low here is 1275. So that would be probable, especially if we get a red candle to fall through it. Yeah, I'll be ready to rock and roll on this one, bro. That's a big if they fuck. Yeah, we're in the macro right now, so just tired of being impatient, tired of messing up, tired of uh, overthinking too much. I see the charts. When I see this pattern, I hesitate. Um, Sometimes I think it's a fear within. I mean, everybody gets it. I mean, starting out when you're starting to track because you don't want to lose any so-called money. Uh, when all this stuff here down here is fake, you got to be willing to take these hits and deal with the emotions within while you're down here. Uh, just to see how you react, and how you respond, bro. So, what can you do? What can you do? So, here's what I really want to see. Um, is us go all the way back up here to this white line, dude. This one up here. And it should go back up there right now. But we'll see how it goes. See if they want to give it to us. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're on the way. I'm on the way for it to come back up here to this white line right here. It never closed back above it yet. So it looks like it wants to get back up there now. They might give us this move within the macro. So let's see if they want to give it to us. If not, I'll be done for the day at no later than like 11:23. I don't see anything as of right this very second. And if I don't get into anything today or anything else today, then it is what it is. The first trade was not great at all. But it is what it is. And I actually kind of over leveraged for it. So it's okay. I'm not really tripping about it. Not too much, but it's okay. Um, yeah, we don't have anything that I'm looking for right now, bro. I don't see anything that's remotely close to what I'm trying to get in on. 6 candle. And then I'm saying, see if they want to give it to us. We still got another 10 minutes. Just in the macro. Yeah, I want to see this line get hit. We don't have a change in state yet, per se, but the 3-minute change in state is this low right here. So any closure back below this low right here is a go for the downside. Let me mark that out on 3-minute. This low right here, they want to go down because they already closed below it. This right here already. So they want to head back down. They got to finish the sequence out on the. And they had time to get up here and change that state on the 1 minute because they never changed it. You know what I mean? They did it on the 30-second though. I was fucking goddamn early, like really early. So they might run these highs again. Yeah, I pulled the trigger too early on the 30-second dude. That was my fault, but it's okay. We got the high right here. Intermediate term low. Confirmation. Ready to go. S&T at the top. Fucking missed that bitch, man. It's okay. Yep. Oh yeah, we missed that shit on the 30-second, dude. I didn't even fucking see it on the 30-second. Damn, bro. I fucked that one up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Closure below. Is this candle? So the retracement would be green, red. I don't know if YM fucking goddamn swept it, motherfucker. Let's see if YM swept that bitch. Again, it's like the 1048 candle. Yeah, I can't see it. I don't see anything. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on the 1 minute. And, if they give it to on the 1 minute, then that's fine. If not, then whatever. I'm gonna look at the 3 minute one more time because the 3 minute had a closure below that they might want to give us to. They did close back below. So 3 minute close back below, bro. All right, so let's see where the PSP is. Goes back below us here. Red, green, red, green, red. I don't even see a PSP, bro. I don't see the PSP at all. All right, so since I don't see it, ain't nothing I can do about it, man. So right here would be the PSP closure back below. So I would need a sweep of this candle right here. Because they want to give it to us. Let's see if they want to give us this. This is a 3 minute change, bro. So I would need a sweep of that line right there, you know, the top line right here on the 3 minute. I need a sweep of this on S&T sweep between ES or Y in order to get it. And let's see if they want to give it to us. That's my change in state of delivery on 3 minute. That's pretty huge. We are also coming into my EMA right here on ES. So I'm watching that very closely. We're still in the macro though. I mean, not only this strategy doesn't just depend on the macro, but you can actually trade it outside of the macro. So let's see what they want. Let's just get the sweep right here. And it's 11:15. We got to, technically speaking, 11:17 for the macro. That's my time. It's usually 10:15, but 11:17 is some leeway. Yeah, but this is a PSP right here. 11:09 candle is a PSP. So any sweep of that candle is a go on any asset. Definitely, I got to have confirmation to show that it is going in that direction. But that should be it. Yeah, this might be the one right here, dude. Yeah, this looks real good. YM is coming into that high as well. YM has the PSP. YM's candle is green right there where NQ's and ES is red. Then 11:09 candle. So whoever closes above, you're gonna have some YM is coming in hot to it. Let's blow this up. I don't want to miss this. Yeah, that's the high right there, dude. 3 minute change in the state of delivery. No one closed above it yet. YM is still playing with it. YM is right there at it though. Let me put the line on there. So if the YM closes above it, that's cool. What is the closure of that candle? No, actually, that is close 867. So we need to close above 867 on YM. I don't want just a wick in there. I need a closure up there. I mean, if they go, they go. I mean, it's what it is. And then I'll be done for the day. 11:18. They hit 11:23 for me to pull the trigger on it. The macro is technically over, but I've seen it happen after. So I'm still looking at YM. I want that closure above that line. And we don't have a bottom wick on there either. 80 to 90% of all candles have top and bottom wicks. So you glance over to one. No, it's number one. 30. Nope. Got nothing on the 30. Wasn't on the one. Actually, I got some on the 1 minute on NQ. I just saw right here. 1, 2, 3. It has to close below though. Yeah. YM is right there, dude. We might get this entry right here. Shit. Even a wick above the actual wick itself would be awesome. But the closure is fine too. We have a volume imbalance right there. Close is 854. Open is 854. We don't have a volume imbalance right there. So still gotta wait. We're gonna wait. Yeah, they're going too far back up. If everybody closes back above, then they're gonna go up. So I mean, it is what it is. I'm not I'm not I'm not going in these people. That means they're gonna drop it this afternoon. Yo, what's up? Okay. You said what time you say? 12:30? Okay. She's gonna be here at 12:30 and we need to leave by 1. Okay. All right. All right. I will be on the road by 1 or at 1 or whatever. Okay. All right. Bye. Yeah, we got a closure above on there. We got a volume imbalance as well in on YM. That's looks really good, bro.
Order filled.
Yeah, this is probably where it'll go from.
Order filled.
Changing the state on YM verse. Matter of fact, let's see. Let me double check YM real quick. Yeah, I think this is where it goes from, bro. As long as we get a closure below on on YM. Um, yeah, that's a good trade right there. YM closed below. Well, not all the way yet, but that should do it, dude. Let's see if it falls. This is where it goes from. It's lined up perfectly. So we got our confirmation on YM. We are currently in the trade. So let's see if they want to go. So we have to hold this trade for the next at least the next 30 minutes in order to see if it works out. All right, so we got a closure on the 3 minute, which is good. So whatever happens now is out of my hands. So here's the trade. I'm in 3 contracts. They're point zero ones. So this is on liquid charts, liquid brokers. Um, let's see how it goes, bro. It's approximately maybe like $16-17 for this trade. If it works out, if it doesn't work out, $16-17 is 577. Yeah, somewhere like $18, somewhere. So let's see what they want to do. Let's see what they want to do, bro. I think this is where they go from, man. We got the fucking most perfect entry ever. You're not gonna beat this kind of entry. So um, hopefully, hopefully they work it out for us. Let's see if they want to drop it like it's hot. I do have TPs set, but I don't. Let's see, this one is set for like 12 bucks. Matter of fact, I'm gonna remove this TP. 9. Yep. And we're gonna hold trade and see how it works and be patient with it. So this was a great fucking trade. It was a great fucking trade. Let's see if it holds, and that'll do me. That's all I can do. He gave me the information, and all I can do is execute on it, and whatever happens, happens. So that was a 3-minute change in the state of the delivery. So based on taking entries on a 3-minute, I have to hold the trades for at least 45 minutes to an hour before I decide to do anything. So these are the times that you go take a walk. And I can't move my stop loss because that's part of the rules I have set for myself. So go figure. Yeah, I'm done for the day, man. This trade is currently running, and we're gonna see where it goes. And there's no need for me to stay in it on live because I'm gonna hold it till wherever it goes to. So I'm done for the day, and hopefully you guys have a great trading day wherever you may be. And that'll do me, brother. Have a great peace and love and blessings.